Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. First thing first, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. Now on your profile screen, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Scroll down to the My Account section and tap on App Appearance to access display settings. In the App Appearance menu, select Always Dark to turn on dark mode, and when the pop-up box appears, tap Restart Now to apply the changes. And if you prefer Snapchat to match your system theme automatically, you can choose Match System instead. This way, it will switch between the light and dark mode based on your phone settings. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.